Hello my YouTube friends, today we have another very exciting unboxing video for you, and my husband Hubby is going to unbox his birthday gift for this year. And as you can see from the ribbon and the packaging, this is a Rolex watch. So if you're into Rolex or luxury watches, let's get straight into it. Are you excited?
Yep.
Okay. He knows what's inside already. And I have to say, like, the sales associate did a great job wrapping everything up. And it's actually my first time seeing like the ribbon and also like the wrapping paper from Rolex. You know, like I'm also very into Hermes, so I know like Hermes did a fantastic job every time when I do the unboxing, but this is the very first time that I actually see this type of packaging from Rolex. And then like this watch, I have to say it's very hard to get. It's a highly sought after watch from Rolex. And to be honest, when we got offered this watch, we could not believe it, because given like how hard it is to get your hands on this watch. We originally asked for like a GMT master, and then, you know, like they recently introduced the Pepsi in addition to the Coke and also like the Batman. But it seems like the GMT master is pretty hard. It's even rarer than like this sports watch that we're unboxing right now. Okay, are you guys ready? Take a guess and maybe comment down below to let us know like what you think this watch is. I've already told you that this is a sports watch. So, ta-da! Oh my gosh! So introducing the green Submariner from Rolex, and this is the new model that they introduced in 2020, and people call it the Starbucks. Take it out and try it. And the sales associate already helped took 2 links off because like this is the perfect sizing for my husband. And if you watch my other unboxing video, you know my hubby already have you know, like a bluesy, so the blue Submariner. So I think this will be a great addition to his watch collection. It looks good on you.
Yes.
Do you like it?
Thanks, honey.
Yeah, it looks absolutely stunning, and I really like this new design. Let me turn this, or do you want to turn this way a little bit so that we can show it really more clearly? I like this design because I feel like this is more like subtle, like when it comes to like you know, the dial of the watch, because this is a black dial instead of like the green dial, the sunburst green dial that they originally had. So yeah, I really like it, and I think this is more of an everyday watch. I know like my hubby like loves his Apple Watch, but I think if you want to, you know, have something, you know, a little bit extra but not too much, the Submariner, it's a great choice. And then it is all stainless steel. This is what we like, because like his bluesy is two-toned, so sometimes he think it's a little bit too much for him to wear it like on a casual occasion. So for like the, you know, like complete stainless steel, I think the chain is a little bit, is it a little bit loose on you?
Maybe just one more links off.
Yeah, maybe we need to take one more. Maybe you lost some weights. So yeah, so we think this is more like everyday and more casual type of watch compared to the bluesy. And price point, so we got this at retail. So we paid a little bit over 10,000 US dollar. I believe the retail price is 10,600 US dollar. It is much higher compared to last year. You know, like every year, like Rolex, they have price increase. But to be honest, like if you look around on, you know, like the pre-owned or the secondhand market, this watch can easily go up to like 18,000 US dollars, so almost doubling the price of this watch. But for us, we will definitely not sell it, because this is such a classic design, and it's definitely like a forever watch that we will keep in our collection. So that's it for today's unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know like my hubby is definitely over the moon right now. Yeah, so yes. I think he will definitely, you know, wear this watch a lot once he gets it. And guys, if you're interested, I'll be happy to also do like a, you know, like the whole watch collection video, because we do added a few pieces to, you know, our collection. So if you're into, you know, luxury watches like Rolex, Petite, or Audemars Piguet, please comment down below, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up to this video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.